Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check the country and the registration date of your REALME 12x. Alright, so let's begin. So as you can see, I'm on the IMEI.info page. To get into the page, simply type IMEI.info, press enter, and you'll be here. So now in this bar, all you need to do is to type your IMEI number. Also, if you don't know how to check it, on our channel we have a video when I'm showing you all possible options on this page, and then I'm showing how to check your IMEI number. Okay, so once it's done, we need to simply click on check IMEI. Okay, now we have our phone, REALME 12x 5G. If you will scroll down, in here you can read the basic information about the phone. Also you can expand it by clicking this button, and if you click on the white one, you can read the full device specification. Okay, but we are interested in here, in the basic checks free. And as you can see, the first option from the top is the REALME country and registration date. So let's click on it. And now on this blue button, check REALME country and the registration date. Okay, now the order is processing, so we need to wait a little bit. Okay, and now we have our result. In here we have the information about the brand, the model, our both IMEI numbers, and below we have the manufacturing date, also the registration date, and the sales region. In this case, it is Poland, as you can see. And you can read the all information here for yourself. Also, you have the phone status, normal delivery. Okay, also if you scroll down, if you click on this white button, you can check REALME country and registration date for other IMEIs. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.